bring back the people together.
To all Filipinos now listening to me, punta kayo kay Marcos lahat. Tignan natin kung anong mangyari. Mga Pilipino, nakikiusap ako. Punta kayo kay Marcos. Hindi kami nagipag-contest kay Marcos. Never. Wala kaming billion, trillion na nakadeposito sa kung saan sa bangko.
Magpunta.
Sa utak lang ni Trillanes.
Mayor, tinuutog nakapile na kaso po kang Trillanes.
Ano?
So, mag-file ng kaso kay Trillanes. Nakapile na po.
So wala pa ako natumbang ako sa motor.
Nag-file na ba yung kaso kay Trillanes after the Quadcom hearing?
Kaya nga, alam mo yung pinapakita mo ng bangko, peke talaga yan. Hindi ka makakuha ng, kung magkuha ka ng sa bangko ng papel, bawal rin yan. Ngayon, kung balandra mo, bawal rin yan. Ipinasok mo doon sa Quadcom, use of falsified documents, another crime yan. Alam mo, hindi ko na lang kasi
Mayor, yung sinasabing disbarment daw laban kay Vice President at impeachment against sa VP, ano po may doon?
Sinday?
Opo.
Kay Galigayan, hindi impeach nila. Total, malayo pa man yung 2028. Di magpasyal sa mga pasyal.
So she's running in 2028 for president.
Hindi, wala siguro.
Sabi mo kasi malayo pa ang 2028. Therefore, yun ang conclusion.
Kaya pa, malayo pa. Doon na tayo, pagdating natin, mag-decide tayo kung tama na yung, sabi ko nga kay Inday, tama na yung Vice President. Total, tatayan dyan, presidente man. Okay na yan.
Mr. President, have you ever, there were reports that there were threats sa buhay ni Inday before sa mga, among his guards, and then, did she ever confer with you or talk to you about it?
We do not talk about politics, Inday.
No, not politics, security.
Security, kaya ni Inday. May security yan si Inday. Huwag kang maniwala, wala yung security.
Being the father, sa tingin mong gibati ito, nakita niyo siya na he was seeking for help and you were there. I suppose you were still awake that time. What's the feeling na yun?
Lingaw.
Ginisugol.
I am entertained. Wala man nangyayari sa anak ko. She is not hurt. Of course, there's yung hearing sa confidential funds niya. Bakit man ako magsabi, matakotin mo ako, i-invest mo ako confidential fund? Sige, talungin mo ako. What did you about? Sige, you ask me. I'll give you the correct answer.
What happened to your confidential fund, supposedly?
Well, it was spent properly.
But why is she not answering the Congress now?
Confidential nga eh. Bakit patawagin ng confidential kung...
Pero yun kasi yung issue na ginamit.
But you kept mum about it all along.
Hindi, lahat yan sila, pati yan si Martin Romualdez, wag binabot na billion yan. Kaya, mausapan lang naman. Maybe one of the things that I will do next is, of course, this time I would be appealing to every Filipino. Lahat na. Once and for all. Buhay man yung kuwa, hindi man nasunog ang building nila, pero lang kung sunugin andyan man yan, buksan natin lahat. Huwag na lang muna yung ibang Ngayon, yung this year lang. Oo. Tapos, pagkatapos, buksan natin next year. Buksan ng Congress. Ang congressman, hinamon ko ba sila? To open your books. Ang sagot naman to ni Trillanes, open your bank account. Makihati ka pa sa putang inang pera ko. You know, sa bangko, huwag ka magtanong kung saan ko nakuha yan. You know, kuha ko yan sa hold up, nakuha ko yan sa smuggling. Wala ka nang pakialam. Nandiyan yan sa bangko. Pero ito, simple lang, opening of the bank na libro. Hindi naman bangko yan eh. So that
Pero bingi man sila mayor sa
ang hindi talaga ino-audit. Telling you now, without batting an eyelash, ang hindi ino-audit, Office of the President, pati Office of the Speaker of the House. Hindi ka magtanong ka ng witness. Katabi ko, speaker man yan, no? Tanungin mo ba kung may malakas ba na sira ulo dyan sa audit na mag-audit? Audit lang yan.
So Mayor, you are saying that you are open to